हेलो डियर। तो आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम या ग्लैंड टेस्टिस, इट्स डिफिनेशन, स्ट्रक्चर, फंक्शन ऑफ टेस्टिस एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट हार्मोन्स एंड सम इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। ये वीडियो उन सभी बच्चों के लिए है जो क्लास 9, 10th या 11, 12th या फिर नीट एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। तो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाली है ये वीडियो, पूरा देखें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं टॉपिक डिफिनेशन। टेस्टिस आर the primary male reproductive organ located in the scrotum. They are responsible for the production of spermatozoa and the secretion of male sex hormones, mainly testosterone. Now, structure of testes. Humans have two testes, each enclosed in a fibrous covering called the tunica albuginea. Each testis contain about 250 to 300 testicular lobules. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules, which are the site of sperm production. The seminiferous tubules are lined by spermatogenic cell. Second, Sertoli cell. Spermatogenic cell produce sperm, and Sertoli cell provide nourishment and support to developing sperm cell. In between the seminiferous tubules are Leydig cells which secreted testosterone. The next is function of testis. 5 main function of testis. First is spermatogenesis, second hormone secretion, third development of male reproductive organ, fourth development of secondary sexual characters, fifth is maintenance of reproductive function. So first, spermatogenesis, production of male gametes inside the seminiferous tubules. Second, hormone secretion, leading cells produce testosterone and other androgens. Third, development of male reproductive organ. Testosterone stimulate the growth and maintenance of male reproductive organ. Fourth, development of secondary sexual characters, deepening of voice, growth of facial and body hair, increased muscle mass and broadening of shoulders. Fifth, maintenance of reproductive function. It supports sperm maturation and male fertility. Now, hormones of testis. Source, function, hormones. Hormones is testosterone. Source is Leydig cells. Function is male sexual characteristic and sperm production. Second hormones is inhibin. Its source Sertoli cell and function is inhibits FSH secretion and regulate spermatogenesis. Now, the important point of testes. The first is testes are located in the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. Second, scrotal temperature is 2 to 0.5 degrees Celsius, lower than body temperature, which is essential for spermatogenesis. Third is seminiferous tubules are the functional unit of testes. Fourth is Sertoli cell are called nourish cell because they nourish developing sperm. Leydig cells secrete testosterone, and the last, testes perform both exocrine function and endocrine function. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.